People often comment that I do a good job of aligning my audio, that is my voice, with my slides. So as an example, let me play the beginning of this particular slide that I've already done, and you can see the transitions are very clean. My expectation is that you'll have a good understanding of what React is and how it helps developers build web applications easily while also providing great browser UI experiences. So you can see it came up right before I said it. One of the mantras that I follow is I always think about see it, say it. So you see the icon and then I say what it is. How do I do it? Well, essentially I record my PowerPoint. So I have this screen, this little clip right here, which is just me running through a PowerPoint presentation going next, next, next. And you can see they come up as the timeline runs. So I play it to myself. Here's the plan for the rest of this course. First, as soon as I hit a transition, I back with the arrow till it goes away. Then I forward till it first appears. And then I cut it right there. I do it again. Talk about what it means. And then when I see another one come up, so I'm not really paying attention to my voice at this point. Back, forward. There, I hit it. So backwards it's off, forwards it's on, and I cut right there. So I'm just going to do this for two of them at the moment to demonstrate. So I grab these clips right here. Actually, I only want the first one's going to be the original transition. So let me grab that and just bonk it right up against where I'm starting. More specifically, here's the plan for the rest of this course. First, so where I said first, so it's actually pretty close to where it should be anyway. So I grab this slide right here and I drag it back right on the timeline. I go to the end of the previous one. I right mouse button, I say add frame hold, and I make it match. Let me zoom in a little bit so it's easier to grab the handle. Zoom in a little bit more. And now when I play it, first we'll talk. So it comes right up before I say it. So let's do it for the next one. Same thing. So it means to be a single page app. Whether we're using React, Angular, Vue, or many others, they all are considered single page apps, and we'll talk about what that actually means. In the introduction to this, so this is the next thing. In the introduction to this course, so I want to basically say, I want to have a transition to when I say in the introduction to this course, I want that to be the transition point. So let me just cut the next one to make it clean. Going forward. There it is, back, forward. I cut it right there. Slide this down. So now, about what it means to be. First, we'll talk about what it means to be a single. So I did a frame hold that took me from here to here. Now I want to do a frame hold that takes me from here to the next one. So now when I play this, what that actually means. In the introduction to so it came up just before I started to talk about that bullet point. So basically that's it. You just do this for all your clips and they line up perfect.